Hello there. Today we'll take a quick look at 3 basic use cases for TriaDart II. Load fluids in 3 easy steps, then dispense 1 or 2 at a time with proportional control. Each fluid channel is an easy-to-adjust reservoir pipette. TriaDart II can withstand strong oxidizers, corrosives, and solvents. Our device can also act as a color or scent synthesizer. Explore the color wheel and take your art to the next level, or create new scents, colognes, or perfumes. Accurately dispense thick liquids, mixtures, and slurries. Automate repetitive, complex operations where precision is important.